Hello students, welcome back for part 3, editing the half circle. So far in this video series, we have changed the square's opening size and location, we have edited the text on an embossed feature, and now we're going to edit the actual operations of a feature. So let's go take a look at the half circle. It says in our directions we're going to change the revolve function to a cut function. Let's see what it's currently set at. So coming back over here, I'm going to go over to my browser, come down through until I find the revolve. And what you'll see right now is it's creating basically a semi-cylinder. And what I'm going to do is instead of clicking on the sketch this time, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to go down to where it says edit feature. Now this brings up a different screen. This is not our sketching window, okay? And what we have here are 3 operations. We have join, we have cut, and then we have intersect. Let's see what each does. So currently we're on the join command. If I select cut, you'll notice that the object has turned red. And if I turn intersect, you'll notice everything disappears except for a gray bar where they overlap. So these are your 3 options. Let me go back to join for a minute. Now, you'll notice that there's an arrow in here. This arrow in revolves allows us to control how much the object has revolved. So also up here in the box, there's an angle. So for this, I want to go 360 degrees, which is 1 full revolution. If I wanted a smaller distance, we'll say 90. You can see that I can set the angle to any number that I would like. And the computer responds by recreating the feature to that distance. So let's go ahead and put 360 back in. Now, right now I have a semicircle, but by going ahead and selecting cut, what I'm going to do is select OK, and what I now have is actually a hole. So if I was creating 2 parts that had to fit together, this might be a useful way of having one part with the semi-cylinder on it and this part having the hole, knowing that the 2 will fit together. So now go try it out for yourself and turn the join command into the cut command and make your semi-cylinder into a hole.